Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Car Configurator, where car enthusiasts like you and me literally just configure cars that we sadly cannot afford. So on today's episode, we'll be configuring a Porsche 911 GT2 RS. So the GT2 RS is probably the ultimate 911 that Porsche offers right now, and sadly, you can't really get it unless you're on like a list or something, which like you have to own previous GT cars in order to get the GT2 RS, or you're out of a higher status. So yeah, the GT2 RS comes. I'm at an MSRP of $293,200, which is a steep price, almost $300K for a 911. But it's just the ultimate 911. So let's get into it. So as you all know, my favorite color is yellow. I already did yellow for the GT3 RS, so maybe we choose a different color. Red looks really good in a lot of Porsches. Black always looks good, but you know, come on. Chalk, I always like this car in chalk. Lava orange, Miami blue. Miami blue is really good with this, but what about chalk? Chalk looks good. Miami blue, oof. Let's go with guards red this time. Let's change it up color a little bit. For the wheels, obviously you gotta go with the 13,000 magnesium wheels. We're gonna like ball out, customize everything for this car because you're already paying almost 300K for it, so you know you have the money. So let's go with these magnesium wheels, which save weight as well. And you also gotta get if you get this, you get the Visock package, and let's see, it will look good in black. Oof. Oh, what if it's in silver? Nah, I'll keep it in satin black, which is a $700 option. Interior, obviously, if we're gonna go with that, we go with the red Alcantara. No, cancel that with the stitching. Red Alcantara interior. Ooh, that looks fire. Actually, I'm not really into this. I guess I'll just go with this with the red stitching. What is this one is? I think I don't really like this. Okay, we'll just go with the standard interior then with the red stitching. So for the seats, obviously you gotta go with the full carbon bucket seats because it's a GT car, guys, and you know I'm not sure people are gonna daily drive this, you know. So yeah, exterior deletion of the model. No, you gotta tell people that you got the GT2 RS, man. Porsche has a lot of these exterior colors that you could like, you know, color this, but we don't really need it because, you know, front axle lift system, obviously that's a must for every Porsche. Chrono package with preparation for lap trigger, yes please. Extended fuel range tank, yes, you're gonna be flooring this all the time, so you're gonna probably waste like a full tank in what, like 30 minutes. JK, probably like a few hours. And hard driving, so that's only $140. Why not get it? Lights and vision, even though this is like a track car, you can't, like, you know, can't compromise with the lights, so you gotta get the PDLS. Look at that, it's very good. Light design package for the interior, so yes please. Auto dimming mirrors with integrated rain sensors, yes, well, I'll do it myself. It's 300K, man. Even though it's a track car, I don't want to do it myself, right? When it rains, it's gonna wipe it for me. So anyway, interior, steering wheel with 12 o'clock marker, yes please. Air conditioning delete, no, I will keep it, sorry. Heated seats, I think if you get that, you have to remove the bucket seats, which I don't know why Porsche just puts, why don't they just put the heat coil packs in the seats? It's gonna weigh like what, a few ounces, you know. Floor mats, yes, I want to keep it clean. Fire extinguisher is a must for every GT car that Porsche makes. You gotta have one just in case, or just for aesthetics, you know. And that's only $140. Come on. And air vent surrounds. I always like this to paint it. Look at this right here. Ooh, that looks so good. Every Porsche should get this feature here, man. Look how good that looks. Come on. And it's only almost $1,720. Keys painted. I'm not really gonna see it, so might as well not get it. seat belts. Ooh, can I get in red? No, I can only get it in black, so I'll just keep it black. Interior Alcantara, sun visor Alcantara, yes please. Door trim package Alcantara is a must. Porsche logo crest here, I don't really like it personally. Seatbelt outer trims and Alcantara, yes please. Interior carbon fiber, the floor mats, yes. And yes, remove this $0 option, man. Give me that $1,000 option. Floor mats, accept please. Door sills and carbon fiber illuminated, yes please. I'm pretty sure I chose that for every Porsche I made. Audio and communications, voice control, $0 option, yes please. Bose surround sound system. Oh, so this one doesn't get the Burmeister, or the Burmeister sound system, but it gets the Bose. I don't know what comes standard with. I thought all Porsches come standard with the Bose system, but yeah. Delivery experience, nah, I'll just do it. I'll just take it, drive it, bro. I don't need anybody's help. So the total price for this amazing GT2 RS is $343,620 for a 911 GT2 RS. That's a lot of money. But then again, if you compare it to like some other cars like a Lamborghini Aventador, that's like almost 500K. But then the thing that people who get the GT2 RS, a Porsche, doesn't really care about the like people getting attention, because they only care about the car enthusiasts that if you know that this car is a GT2 RS. So they only care that if you know the car, and they don't care about the other public because maybe they don't want to show off, or maybe like they just love German engineering. But then again, some Italians get some German engineering for the whole fucking group. But anyways, yeah, this is the Porsche GT2 RS. Comment down below how you configure it, and thanks for watching. And I hope you're driving your dream car.